And I said, she has continuing ed coming up, but I don't know. Nice check. So, ho, ho. You people are so wicked good. I know, right through that hole, huh? Okay, let's find more. Okay, let's find more. I'm only gonna let him go to there.
Okay.
He's figured out he doesn't have to go further than that anyway.
Yeah, that's exactly what Elle was doing. He's working it just like Elle did.
So we anchor back. I was trying not to crowd him so that he could come through if he wanted to.
Mm-hmm.
This is hard, isn't it? It's anchoring still. Good. Sure's taking big gulps of air in. Nice. Good boy.